hot certainly does not come to you by conduction and convection. Here, you receive heat by a third way in which heat energy is transferred from one body to another in exactly the same manner as light. This way is called radiation. In radiation, heat is transmitted from one body to another in a straight line in all directions and at a very great speed without the aid of the intermediate particles and without heating the medium through which it passes. Heat is transmitted from the sun to the earth by radiation. Then we say that the sun radiates heat, and this heat is called radiant heat. All hot objects, solids, liquids, and gases radiate heat. The amount of heat radiated by a hot body depends on its temperature and its color and nature.
So I hope now radiation must be clear to you guys. Okay? If you are sitting in front of a fire, then too, it will be reach up to you by radiation method. Okay? You are getting the heat of the sun, the objects get heated up. That is also just because of start with the radiation. So what is radiation? It is the mode of heat transfer where no medium is required, as we have understood that conduction needs the medium, convection needs the, what happened in conduction? Yes, there should be contact between two particles जिनके बीच में heat transfer होना है. In convection, the actual transfer of the molecule, okay, the actual movement occurs over there. But if I talk about this radiation, it doesn't require any medium. Okay, it is a mode of heat transfer without medium. All right, so let's write it down about this. Mode of heat transfer without using the medium. Okay, it is you can compare this with the third example which I have provided you, that the teacher was just throwing up the books and students were collecting. Okay, you may compare this method with that one only. Okay, सीधा हीट पहुंच रही है, you know, सन और हमारे बीच में क्या है? वैक्यूम. ओके, सो वैक्यूम के थ्रू हीट ट्रांसफर करती है. ऑलराइट, अगर मैं किसी इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर के सामने बैठूंगी, देन टू आई विल फील वार्म. Okay, so how the heat will travel to me through that heater? Obviously through the method of radiation, which doesn't require any medium. Okay, now so many applications are there of radiation where we use this radiation method. We will discuss. Okay, so we receive heat from the sun by radiation, and most of the space between the sun and the earth is vacuum, so that heat is being transferred to us through radiation method only. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Okay, heat transfer hota hai lekin koi medium nahi hota. All right, now what is absorption of radiant heat? This heat is known as radiant heat, and now what is absorption and what is on what this radiant heat actually depends? एक इस पे depend करती है first nature of the surface and second the color of the object, right? See, if we are having two water tanks, okay, on the terrace, one is of black color and another one is of white color, and I have put it the water at the same time in both the tanks. Okay, both the tankies. All right, now I have put in a thermometer in both of them. What I'll observe that in the black one, the water is more hot rather than the white one in the daytime. And what I'll observe at the night time, that the water is more cooler in the black one rather than the white one. So what we can say by this, that the black body absorbs as well as emit more heat radiation than a white body. I repeat myself again, black body absorb भी बहुत जल्दी करती है heat को, and it also emits more heat radiation than a white body. Okay, we use this radiation in our daily routine also. Can anyone tell where we will use this? Yes, in summertime. Okay, in summertime we don't used to wear the dark color, black color clothes now. So you know, black is the color which absorbs the maximum heat. Okay, so if you will wear black color clothes in summertime, you will feel more hotter. So that's why we are supposed to wear light colored clothes in summertime. Okay. Secondly, what is the second application of radiation? That is, जो houses है hot countries के अंदर, okay, उनको usually light color का paint किया जाता है ताकि वो ठंडे रहे. Okay, this is done so that the houses absorb less heat, and just to keep the houses cool, it's being done. Okay. Third, you must have observed the cooking utensils. They are having black surface at the bottom, right? Non-stick cookwares, you guys must have seen. Mostly they are black in color from the bottom. Why? Because black color will absorb more heat. All right. Similarly, solar cookers, they are also painted black ताकि वो maximum heat energy absorb कर सके, and that could be converted into solar energy. All right. Same with the room heaters. Room heaters को curved polished metal reflector होता है room heaters के अंदर. कहाँ पर? Just after the heating element. In heaters, we are having the heating element, and just after the heating element, there is a polished surface, polished reflector. अब वो reflector क्या करेगा? What is the function of that reflector? It will reflect back the heat radiation which is falling on it. Okay, how this radiation works actually? कैसे काम करता है? देखो, जब सन की लाइट हमारे पास आती है तो कुछ लाइट एब्जॉर्ब हो जाती है और कुछ लाइट वापस चली जाती है, राइट? Which some of the amount of light is emitted back. Okay, so कितना एब्जॉर्ब करेगा वो किस चीज पे डिपेंड करेगा? It depends on the surface, nature of its surface, and the color of the object also. Okay, so all these are the applications of radiation. Just write it down in 2 shots. All right. Absorption of radiant heat क्या हुआ? Light जो कि एक radiant energy का form है, वो travel करती है बहुत great speed पे in all the direction from the body, emitting it, and it does not need material medium. जब light fall करती है किसी भी body पे, then it is partly absorbed, as I have told you, and partly reflected, and same thing happened with the sunlight also. Okay. तो जब radiant heat किसी body पे गिरती है, some of the part is absorbed and remaining part is reflected back. Okay, so absorbing power or reflecting power depends on absorbing and reflecting power depends on, किस पे डिपेंड करता है? Absorbing and it depends first on nature of surface and second the color. Okay. Color of the object. Alright, it depends on these two. Now, if I'm asking you what is radiation, tell me its application, where you apply it in your daily routine, then what you will give to for wearing light colored clothes in summertime. Similarly, what I have told you, the houses are painted white in color. Okay. Houses are painted white in warm countries. Sorry, in countries with hot climate. Okay. First हो गया light color clothes. Second for light color paint in houses. Next is metal reflector in electric heaters. Okay. Next point is lower surface of utensils and solar cooker painted black. Okay. Now next I am going cold things cold and hot things hot, right? If we are going somewhere where we have to travel or we have to stay somewhere, so we need hot water, we need cold water, we need hot tea, so we used to put them into the thermos flask. So have you ever thought how the thermos flask is able to keep the hot things hot and cold things cold? Has any of you cutted that bottle? Not now. I have seen one person cutting a Milton bottle, and he was actually anxious to check that what this bottle is having, how this steel bottle, Milton bottle is able to keep the things too cool for 12 hours, 24 hours. Okay, so what we observe if we are going to check this thermos flask, what is the structure of thermos flask? That it is having a double walled glass bottle. Can I rub this so that I can make the diagram of the thermos flask to explain you more? I hope you guys must have done this. All right, let me make a small thermometer. You guys also have to make along with me. Okay. Keep on drawing it along with me. Give it a shade. It's a double wall. Okay, in which the air is being fed. Alright. This is the cork piece which is being capped at the bottom. Okay. This is the plastic cap. This is the plastic stopper. Alright. This is the double walled glass bottle. Okay. And this is the vacuum between two glass walls. Here, this black one. Vacuum is being created over there. This is the outer metal case. Okay, it could be of steel, etc. Alright. So this is the structure of a particular thermos flask. So thermos flask consists of a double walled glass bottle. Okay. This is the double walled glass bottle. Are you able to see these two walls? Now, in which this glass, why we have chosen glass over here? Because ग्लास जो है वो बेड कंडक्टर है हीट का, ठीक है, इसीलिए ये हीट को बाहर जाने नहीं देगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव चूजन ग्लास इन ओवर हियर. ओके, इन दिस डबल वॉल्ड ग्लास बॉटल. एंड अब हमने क्या किया, इसके जो दो वॉल्स हैं इनके बीच में जितने भी, एज यू नो दैट if anything is not there in the jar, then too we are having vacuum over there, right? Vacuum तो है ही वहां पर. Then here the air which was filled between these two walls, that was evacuated, right? वैक्यूम पंप की हेल्प से उस एयर को बाहर निकाल दिया गया, इवैक्यूएट कर दिया गया. जब आप एयर को बाहर निकाल देंगे तो यहाँ पर वैक्यूम क्रिएट हो जाएगा. ओके, and because you know air is also a good medium, air is also a good conductor of heat, right? That's why हमने एयर को भी बाहर निकाल दिया, क्योंकि एयर भी हीट ट्रांसफर कर सकता था. इसलिए we are not allowing the air to remain here. We have created vacuum over here. Okay, so all the air is evacuated now to prevent the transfer of heat. अब ना तो कंडक्शन से हीट ट्रांसफर हो पाएगा, ना तो कन्वेक्शन से. ओके, वैक्यूम में क्योंकि कंडक्शन एंड कन्वेक्शन नीड्स अ मीडियम, जहां मीडियम नहीं है वहां ना कंडक्शन होगा ना कन्वेक्शन होगा. नाउ हियर वी आर हैविंग जस्ट द वैक्यूम, नो मीडियम इज हियर. ओके, अब ये जो सरफेस है डबल वॉल ग्लास बॉटल की, ये एक मिरर से सिल्वर कलर की होती है. इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ मिरर. एंड मिरर की तरह इसको सिल्वर कलर का कर दिया जाता है. दिस इज डन टू रिड्यूस द ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट बाय रेडिएशन. रेडिएशन मेथड से भी हीट ट्रांसफर कम से कम हो. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें पता है कि जो शाइनी सरफेस है वो बैड एब्जॉर्बर है एंड बैड एमिटर है हीट की. आई रिपीट माय सेल्फ, शाइनी सरफेस इज अ बैड एब्जॉर्बर एंड बैड एमिटर. ना तो वो जल्दी से हीट एब्जॉर्ब करती है और ना एमिट करती है. ओके, if I talk about this plastic stopper हम इसके माउथ पे फिक्स कर देते हैं फ्लास्क के और प्लास्टिक कैप भी लगा देते हैं. राइट, ऐसा क्यों करते हैं हम? why we have done this to reduce the conduction of heat, बिकॉज यहाँ पर तो मीडियम है ना प्लास्टिक, सो प्लास्टिक से तो कंडक्शन हो सकता है. सो जस्ट टू रिड्यूस द कंडक्शन ऑफ हीट, प्लास्टिक इज अ बैड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. राइट, metals तो बहुत अच्छे कंडक्टर्स होते हैं. that's why we haven't used metal over here. we have used plastic stopper which is the not a good conductor of heat. Okay, and plastic cap is also used just above that, just for this purpose only. alright, अब ग्लास बॉटल जो है उसको हम एक मेटल के केस में रखते हैं because glass could be broken easily, right? So that's why we have put this into a metal case with the help of the cork pieces. Are you able to see this cork piece? Okay, can you tell me what is the function of this cork piece? कॉर्क क्या होता है? पेड़ की जो छाल होती है, राइट, उसका एक पीस हमने, लकड़ी का एक टुकड़ा, यू कैन से कॉर्क का एक पीस हमने यहाँ पर रखा हुआ है. एंड दिस इज डन टू प्रिवेंट द ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट बाय कंडक्शन. ओके, अब हो सकता है कि इस ग्लास बॉटल से इस मेटल केस के अंदर हीट ट्रांसफर हो जाए जब ये दोनों आपस में कांटेक्ट में आ जाए. सो वी डोंट वांट देम टू कम इन कांटेक्ट विद ईच अदर. हम इन दोनों को आपस में कांटेक्ट में ही नहीं आने देंगे. हमने यहाँ पर what we have done, we have put a piece of cork over here. हमने यहाँ पर wood का टुकड़ा रख दिया है जो कि bad conductor है. Now heat would not be able to transfer from here. Okay, so the transfer of heat into the closed thermos flask is very less. होगी तो सही, I am not saying heat transfer नहीं होगी, but हमने जितने भी options थे heat transfer के उन सबको minimize करने की कोशिश की है. Okay, we have tried to minimize the heat of transfer so that the material which you are, the liquid which you are putting it into it will remain cool for the longer time, as well as hot. If you are putting hot liquid, then it remains hot for the long time. Okay, so this is all about the thermos flask. This is all about the structure and the function of thermos flask. Okay, now in this chapter we have discussed first of all what are the effects of heat. क्या effects होते हैं, chemical changes कैसे होते हैं, change in state कैसे आता है, how the temperature gets changed by this. After that we discussed about the processes of heat transfer, that is conduction, convection and radiation. Okay, so solids में किससे होगा? कंडक्शन से. फ्लूइड्स में किससे होगा? कन्वेक्शन से. एंड वैक्यूम में किससे होगा? obviously with the help of radiation. Okay, and radiation में transfer of radiation depends on color of the object and nature of the surface. Okay, black is the best absorber as well as best emitter. And if I talk about the nature of the surface, जो बेस्ट रिफ्लेक्टर होगा, बेस्ट रिफ्लेक्ट, देखो अब इफ आई एम हैविंग वॉच इन माय हैंड, ओके, अगर आप उसको सनलाइट में रखोगे तो लाइट वो रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा ना लाइट को, राइट? तो जो बेस्ट रिफ्लेक्टर होगा, जो शाइनी सरफेसेस होंगे वही तो रिफ्लेक्ट करेंगे, और जो बेस्ट रिफ्लेक्टर होगा यानी जिसकी बेस्ट रिफ्लेक्टर कौन होगा? स्मूथ और शाइनी सरफेस, वो हीट कम से कम ट्रांसफर करेगा, राइट? एंड हु इज द पुअर रिफ्लेक्टर? रफ, व्हिच इज हैविंग द rough and dull surface. Okay, so according to me this chapter is finished. If anyone is having any doubt, they may ask to me. Please raise your hand just to ask the doubts to me. Let me check who are having doubt. keep on writing till then. Yes, Palak. Please unmute yourself.
यस मैम। मैम मुझे पूछना था, आपने बताया था कि ब्लैक ज्यादा स्वेट एब्जॉर्ब करता है।
ब्लैक ज्यादा हीट एब्जॉर्ब करता है, मैंने बोला।
हाँ, तो वो ज्यादा हीट को एब्जॉर्ब करता है, मतलब सबसे ज्यादा।
बिकॉज हीट जो है ना वो कलर पे भी डिपेंड करता है पलक। ओके, हीट एब्जॉर्बेंट जो डार्क कलर के ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं वो नेचुरली ज्यादा हीट एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं। ओके, और जो लाइट कलर के ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं वो कम हीट एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं। इट्स अ नेचुरल थिंग। ओके, यस Sujal, please unmute yourself. Palak, you may lower down your hand. Yes, Sujal.
मैम आप ओरल कब लोगे?
I will let you know few days before that. If I'll take.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, don't worry. When you are having science test, Sujal. When you are having science test, Sujal, let me know in the chat box. Anyone can tell in the chat box. Good morning, Hardik Khurana. Okay, so I don't think anyone is having any more. Okay, 5th September. Thank you, Bhumika. So shall we start with the book exercise? All right. So first, let's start with the MCQs if we are having any in between the chapter. Yes, we are having on page number 48. So everyone please open page number 48. Open up page number 48, everyone. I hope you guys must have done this. Have you opened? All right. इससे पहले पेज नंबर 44 पर भी कुछ क्वेश्चंस है. I would like to discuss them. If you want, you can do that. Thank you, Sujal. You may do that, these questions in the copy. Otherwise, write it down in the book only. Okay, you may get these types of questions, and it's also a part of HOTS. Open page number 44 once. Page number 44. Everyone. Yes. On page number 44, see on the right side, think. A question is being provided to you, think. Why it is advised not to fill air into your cycle tire very tightly during summer time? गर्मियों में पूरी हवा क्यों नहीं भरते हैं टायर्स के अंदर? Why we don't fill them properly? So, what you will write? It is not advised to fill it because air will expand on heating. Okay, summer time mein, because it's too hot and air will expand on heating, therefore the tires may burst. Tire फट सकता है. Okay, similar type of question of thing you are having, and next on 51 page number. Before that, let's discuss the fill-ups on given on page number 48. Keep the pencil in your hand. First, the sensation of hotness or coldness. Okay, now I'm going to take your chat test. Okay, so keep on writing the answers in the chat box only. Keep on writing the answers. Open page number 48 MCQs and give me the answers in the chat box only. Give me the answers in the chat box. I'm writing the chat box. I'm not audible. Am I not audible to anyone? Am I not audible? Okay, thank you, Shivraj. I'm audible. All right. Okay, who is saying C? Let me check. Bhumika Devanda is saying C option. The sensation of hotness or coldness is caused by heat. Very good, Bhumika. You are the first one to answer. C is the correct answer. Sujal also is also saying C, heat. Yes, sensation of hotness or coldness is caused by heat energy. C is the correct option for first. Second, temperature of an object is measured with dash. With, give me the answer. Yes, Palak is saying C, thermometer. Okay, Palak, you are correct. Bhumika is also correct. Range of clinical thermometer is from 35 degrees Celsius to, so yes, write down the answers. Write down the answers. Okay, Palak is saying 42. Okay, anyone else? Is she correct? Yes. Sujal is also saying 42. Okay, fine. Yes, 42 is the correct answer. B is the correct answer for this. Okay. Now, the range of laboratory thermometer is from minus 10 degrees Celsius to fourth one. Write down the answer. How I'll be get to know कि आप कौन से के लिए B C बोल रहे हो. Range of laboratory thermometer. Palak is saying 120. No, Palak, you are not correct. Anyone else? Keep on typing in the chat box quickly. Bhumika 90. No, Bhumika, you are also not right. मैंने differences लिखवाए थे. If you guys remember, if you have written in your copy. No one is giving me the correct answer. What happened? Yes, Shivraj, very good. You are correct. It's minus 10 to 110. Varsha is also correct. Okay, so C, 110 is the correct answer. In Celsius scale, the lower fixed point is, what is the lower fixed point in Celsius scale? Lower पूछा है, remember. कहाँ से start होता है Celsius scale? Give me the answer quickly for this one. Okay. Sujal, give me now for the fifth one. Give me the answer. It starts from Kartik Rogha. Fifth, we are talking about the fifth one. It's not 212. Lower scale it is asking. It's 0. Yes. Ashish, you are correct. It's 0. Okay. Yes, all of you are correct. Ashish, Sujal, Bhumika, Shivraj, it's 0. Okay. D is the correct option. All right. Now, let's come on page number 51. Another MCQs we are having on page number 51. Conduction of, open page number 51. Conduction of heat takes place only in. Conduction of heat takes place only in. Give me the answers quickly. Solid, liquid, gas, air. Conduction किसमें होता है? Okay, Ashish Sharma is saying in solid. No, Palak, you are wrong. It's not gases. Anyone else? Yes, Ashish is correct. It's solid. Okay, conduction takes place in solid. Very good, Ashish. Okay, stainless steel is a dash conductor of heat. Good, bad, poor, very poor. Write down the answer for second one. Stainless steel is a dash conductor of heat. Okay, stainless steel is a bad conductor of heat. No, Ashish. Yes, Priyanshu Sharma, it's a good conductor. Very good, Priyanshu. It's a good conductor. So A is the correct option for this. Okay. Third, pressure cookers are provided with dash handles. किसके handles होते हैं? Pressure cookers के? They don't get heated up now. Then how it's possible? Can you guys tell? Yes. Plastic, copper. No. Copper, bakelite, aluminium and brass. 4 option you are having. Okay, Ashish, again you are correct. You are saying bakelite. So bakelite is the correct answer. Okay. B, bakelite is the correct answer for the third one. Cooking utensils are usually made up of. Cooking utensils, जो आप घर में खाना खाते हो डेली में, cooking utensils किसके बने होते हैं? They are usually made up of. Yes, Priyanshu, correct. Very good, Priyanshu. It's stainless steel. Very good, Shivraj. You gave the answer first. It's steel. Okay. Next, dash is a bad conductor of heat. Who is the bad conductor of heat? Bad conductor of heat. Bhumika is saying, Sujal is saying air. Okay, yes, Sujal, you are correct. Copper, silver, gold, all are metals. So metals are the good conductors. Air, इनके जितनी अच्छी conductor नहीं है. ठीक है? Yes, air is the correct answer, Pari. All right. So now one more think question two, or no, even 2 questions we are having for think on the same page. Let's discuss them. 2 thin woolen blankets are warmer than a thick woolen blanket. Why? Okay. One person is in the winter time, one person is wearing 2 blankets, 2 thin blankets, and another one is wearing the one single blanket which is having the thickness equal to the 2 thin blankets. Okay, जितने दो की जितनी मोटाई है उतनी ही thickness का उसने एक ही blanket पहना हुआ है. Now who will feel more warm? Obviously the one who is wearing the 2 blankets. 2 thin woolen blankets are warmer than a thick blanket. Why? Because between the 2 blankets there is a layer of air, and air is a bad conductor of heat, and it prevents the flow of heat from both the sides. Okay. Yes, you are correct. The first person, Priyanshu. Okay. Now the next one. Why do birds fluff off their feathers on a cold winter morning? So why do birds used to do this? Why they fluff out their feathers on the cold winter morning? Because to keep their body warm. जब वो fluffing करते हैं तो air उनकी feathers के अंदर चली जाती है, right? And just because of that air, their body will feel warm. Okay. Now we are having the oral question which is being provided at the back, or it's given on page number 57, that we will discuss in our next class. All of you find out all the question answers as we will discuss in our next class. I'm ending this meeting now. I hope. Yes, Sujal, are you having any doubt? Let me check. I'm having another class, Sujal. What doubt you are having? I'm leaving this meeting now. Thank you so much for today's class. Have a nice day, everyone.